song about the one I love. Ooh, and I'll sing along. And I saw her across the creek, long brown hair floating on the breeze. Her soft song is stuck in my head. An old story just began. An old antiques up on the shelf in a little cafe on the edge of town. I sat there with my darling girl, and in her eyes she held my world. And I sang, hey little mockingbird, won't you sing me your song? And I sang, hey little mockingbird, won't you sing me your song about the one I love. Ooh, and I'll sing along. And yellow roses under red sunset, the birds watched as we danced, hand in hand, hand in hand, hand in hand. As we sing, hey little mockingbird, won't you sing me your song? And I sing, hey little mockingbird, won't you sing me your song about the one that I love. Ooh, and we'll sing along. Thank you.